Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that SEC's top priority. One of them is crypto for 2023. Then we have actually Jerome Powell talking yesterday, and again the market started to move a little bit up, then down, then sideways. So let's talk about that as well. And the third is all about that no crypto ads at SuperBowl this year. So guys, all this in today's video. So if you would like to stay up to date, very simple, subscribe to this YouTube channel Blockchain Bloom, because every day you're getting a couple of videos, so I keep you up to date in crypto and blockchain. Simply subscribe or button all. That's the order what you have to do, and then you get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. This is feedback for me and it's highly appreciated. Okay, and now when we move on to the market, we can see that the Bitcoin is basically up 0.7%, not a lot, in the last 24 hours, so still moving sideways. Ethereum is up about 2%, so that makes Bitcoin 23,181, while Ethereum 1,675. We've been looking at the top gainer, Oasis Network up 17%, but by the way, the Sandbox is up a bit more than 22, and well, it's mishmash a little bit. Okay, 15% maybe on the third place here, Immutable X. And when we're looking at the losers, that at the top is Fetch AI, because it went up just so nicely. Then we have Fracture, pretty much the same, 5% down, 6% down Fetch AI, and then we have here Render Token with 4% down. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that yes, we do continue this sideways movement. When we're looking at here the 15 minutes one, then we can see a bit better what happened yesterday during Jerome Powell's speech. It went up and it went down, but I'm going to talk about it in a second. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic, and the first topic is all about that SEC says monitoring advisors shilling crypto a top priority is in 2023. So let's talk about that. So definitely the SEC will keep an eye on crypto closely in this year 2023. As you can see here in the headline, SEC says monitoring advisors shilling crypto a top priority in this year. The SEC said it will be examining crypto brokers and advisors to ensure adequate risk management and standards of care. So basically, bottom line, what they're saying, they would like to protect the investors. So here, the U.S. Securities regulator will focus on cryptocurrency and emerging technologies as one of its priorities this year, as it tries to keep up with the changing landscape of finance, because it does change. And we have here that the division, which is on it, plans to conduct examinations of broker-dealers and investment advisors who are using emerging financial technologies, including, for example, crypto. They will be investigate whether these middlemen are meeting expected standards of care to investors, and whether they are routinely reviewing and updating risk management procedures. So basically, crypto, it's very important for the SEC. We do know that they would like to, control it. We have talked about it already, that the Bitcoin would be so far maybe the only commodity in the commodity category, which doesn't belong to the SEC. But the SEC actually wants the rest. Can it have it? We will see what kind of regulations we're going to see in the future. But we do know that crypto regulations are very, very important and top priority, which actually, if this clarifies and we do know finally who is controlling what you can do, what you cannot do, what is good, what is bad. Actually, so when the regulations coming out and it's in work, then it helps us also to decide in which way, which direction we would like to go. So it's going to be a help for sure, but it depends a lot what kind of control they will have in the future. Okay, second thing, what I would like to talk about, that Jerome Powell talked again yesterday, and the market went up and down and now sideways. So as you know, every single time Jerome Powell talks, it moves the market. So he moves the market basically. Yeah, now let's go back to the where I was at the beginning. So as you can see here on the 15 minutes chart, then when he started to talk, things looked positive, and there were some longs liquidated for sure as we went down here during the speech. It happened during the speech, and then we went up all the way, and then since that we going sideways. And yeah, so he said again basically that the deflationary process has started. So pretty much what he said at the end of the FOMC meeting. Overall, he looked quite confident. It looks like that things going in the way Fed wants it. So actually inflation coming down. So that's their goal, to bring down inflation to 2%. But he also admitted that if the numbers won't work out as they do, for example, right now, then of course they will be strict, and they will definitely do things what are necessary, even keep raising interest rates. So they are not afraid of that. However, if things looking promising, then you know, again, so they're going to work in that direction as well. Bottom line, now he didn't see anything again which would hurt the market a lot, and therefore we can still see this kind of sideways movement. We're waiting for something which push the market either direction. So when you see this here, and let's move back to the 4-hour one so you can see a better view. Yeah. So what we have seen after we broke this resistance line and we came up here, which then works since that as support, this 22,600-ish, we are still moving sideways here. So we have to move either way. We do break this 24,500-ish kind of one and stay above it, which would be important, or we break under it and then we go further down. So this is what basically the market is right now waiting for. And it depends a lot what kind of news we're going to have. Right, and now the last, what I would like to talk about is that there's no Super Bowl ad this year at, sorry, no, let me rephrase it. There's no crypto ad at Super Bowl this year. So this is the way how it's correct. If you remember, last year we talked about Super Bowl as Crypto Bowl because there were so many crypto-related ads. For example, we had Coinbase, we had Crypto.com, and of course, we had FTX. This year, there is none. There were some, they actually wanted to do some advertising, but then actually it's not happening. And yes, well, after this, FTX disaster, what happened, and especially because they were sponsoring, they were advertising during the Super Bowl last time. It's kind of embarrassing a little bit, but I'm pretty sure that the ads to Super Bowl, crypto ads, will come back in the next following years in the bull market. For example, maybe even next year, 2024, but in 2025, it's also possible. It goes quite a lot of money. So in 2022, crypto companies spent combined $54 million in Super Bowl, and obviously these companies running now low budget. We do know how Coinbase also fires people to kind of survive. We do not talk about FTX right now anymore. And yeah, everybody is a little bit pulling back in the survival mode in this period. And then when bullish market is coming back, obviously they will have a different budget, but because of this there is no ad during the Super Bowl which is related to crypto this year. Okay guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, you will get a couple of short videos today as well, so subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to stay up to date in crypto and blockchain. For simple, subscribe button or hit the like button because this is the feedback for me if you like this kind of content. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.